guys, welcome back to Eat Green Delights Kitchen. I know it's been quite a while. I told you that I was getting ready other recipes and life got a little busy, but I'm back with definitely new things, new recipes for you guys. Today we're going to learn how to make grilled vegetables. Very easy, simple, a dish that it goes perfectly, especially in the summertime. This is a dish that you can put it for if you have guest nights or anything that you can use it, like for a salad, anything that you like it. And the beauty of this dish is that you can actually make it the day before, so that you don't have to do the day of the event. I'm going to show you right away what are our ingredients, okay? So obviously our ingredients are summer vegetables. We have some nice red bell peppers and yellow, and then I have two small eggplant, and of course in this side I have 3 zucchini that I definitely want to use. And I noticed that in my fridge I had like half of the onions, so I'm going to use this onions because it's going to give just that extra flavor, especially when it's grilled. And then we're going to use some salt, some oregano, and some black pepper, of course, with some extra virgin olive oil. Little bit of a mince of garlic. We're going to mince it later. And then, of course, some nice Italian parsley. You guys see, I have right here my grill. It's already on. You definitely, guys, want to do this when the grill it's nice and hot. So I'm going to cut this the zucchini like lengthwise. Make sure that your zucchini and the vegetables that you cut, they're all the same size, the same thickness, okay? So that they can cook and they can grill in the same time. You want to create not too thin, but not even too thick. So something like this, it's actually pretty good, because you want the people when they eat the vegetable that is still there is the little crunch. So definitely you don't want it not too thick, because or else it's gonna be pretty much raw, and not too thin, because or else it's gonna burn, okay? And of course, guys, the vegetables, they were pre-washed already, so if you wonder. Same goes for the eggplant. I'm going to actually keep the pepper whole. I want the pepper to be grilled like just like that. The peppers, they're gonna be at the end. I'm gonna put the whole onion too on the grill, just because I don't want it that it breaks and then it's gonna be all over the place, and then you guys are gonna have just pretty much pieces of burnt onion. I don't want that. I'm just gonna put it all, okay? So now we're gonna just go ahead and check our zucchini, how they're doing, okay? So what you're looking for is definitely a chart like that. Nice. So like this, it's actually pretty good. Perfect. The end of the zucchini, because it's got a little bit of a bump, just leave it a little longer, but you should be okay. Okay, guys. Since we're waiting for the peppers and the onions to be done, this is that's why I'm telling you, if you want to do this the day before, it's better for you, because it takes a little long to grill all those vegetables. Obviously, if it's just not a lot of people, it's gonna take less time, but because we're we're just like my family, and I know how much we love vegetables, so I just made quite a bit, okay? So as you notice, I actually took a little bit of a plastic wrap here, because what I want to do is now I'm going to put those beautiful vegetables like this, okay? And then what I'm going to do, because I don't want to use plates, I am done using plates. If it's possible, I can use something else, I'll use something else. So we're just gonna do this like this, all right? We put it nice and straight up like that, just like little soldiers, all right? And then what I'm gonna do now, a little bit of salt, a little bit of a pepper, black pepper, oregano. Flip it up, the other side, do it again. There you go. What you're gonna do is you're going to throw a little bit of olive oil, like a little splash of olive oil like that. Give it a little massage between them. And I'm gonna put those beautiful veg in a bowl, okay? Same thing that we did with the zucchini. Now we're gonna do it with the eggplant. A little bit of pepper, flip it up, open up like that. And there we go, put like the onion. Because there's a little bit of a salt and not ready, olive oil, oregano, just give it a little thing like this. The smell is amazing. This is beautiful. Okay? Alright. We put it in our bowl. Okay guys, so the peppers, they're pretty nice. It's like nice, like if I had a grill like outside, this would have been much better, but it's okay. That's what you're looking for. You want a little bit of those char stripes, that's it. Okay, you don't want to burn the pepper, all right? We put it in here in a bowl, okay? A little bit of plastic wrap. What's gonna happen is that the plastic wrap is gonna make it sweat the pepper to the point that the skin will come off on its own, all right? It's not gonna be too hard for us to, you know, take off the skin. We're gonna put this on the side for a little bit, and now, because I don't want to wait, I already pre-washed my parsley here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chop some parsley, and with the parsley, I'm gonna chop even a little bit of a garlic. Okay, those smells, like, they remind me. They bring me back when I was a little kid. It's all nice and sweat. I want to cut this pepper in half. There you go. Like I said, just careful. Don't, you know, if it's too much for you, the heat, just wait a little longer. So I'm gonna remove this. All right. And then I'm gonna, you see how the skin comes off very easy. And then you're not going to be able to remove the whole skin, but it's okay. Just remove it what you can, okay? Any skin on, don't worry, you're not going to die. One thing that I want to make sure that you guys don't do, a lot of times I see people that once they remove the skin, they go and wash those peppers under the cold water. That is such a big no. If you grill the peppers, there is no point to grill the pepper if you're going to remove the smoky flavor under cold water, okay? So just keep it simple, all right? Just thin slices like julienne, okay? Oregano, we're not done. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of a salt, okay? A little bit of olive oil in there. That's it. Beautiful. Now, beautiful. Minced garlic and parsley. Put it in there and put it in my other bowl where there are the rest of the veg. Okay? Put that on the side. Okay. I want to make a nice design. So what we do usually in the banquet halls, and then eggplant on the inside, make it like a cake, you know. Go crazy with your, you know, creativity. Sorry. Just go ahead, go nuts. Beautiful. You're gonna see some pieces here and there. Put it all in there. Trust me, this is gonna go fast. Okay. The eggplant, and then the beautiful zucchini. And the smell, it's amazing. Put it like this, like a flower. There you go. Wait a minute here. My pepper, beautiful pepper. Put it like a pile in the middle. Just like that. Basically finish our plate today. This is such a beautiful dish. It's gonna be great whenever you want to you know, give it to whoever for whatever evening. This is the plate to go. So we're done. I showed you how to do it, some techniques. So you could do it the day before. It's gonna be totally fine. And it will taste even better if you guys do it the day before. So subscribe to the channel, okay? Put a like and drop a comment and hit that notification button and follow me, guys. I have so many more recipes coming up, so I will see you next time. In the meantime, stay tuned. Bye.